Welcome back to the 7th hour Math Lab at Lewis & Clark. I'm Mr. Monty. And we're practicing Unit 8B002, Simplifying Exponents. I have 4 examples here. Let's make sure that we know how to do these. If I said x times x, most students would say x squared. And that's correct. But before we go any further, I want to write a couple things down. X to the 1 is equal to x, 1 plus 1, x squared. So you're right, but let's write the details out. That might make it easier for the next one. Now, the rule is x squared times x cubed. We could say x, 5 of them. Which is x to the 5th. Or we could have said x to the 2 plus 3, x to the 5th. So whichever one makes more sense. This is shorter, but if you get tripped up, just go back and write them all out, because we're all good at this one. The next one, x squared cubed. What does that mean? That means that item times itself 3 times. Good. X squared times x squared is the same as x to 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is x to the 6th. Good? And the last one. Now division, a lot of students get tripped up on division. No worries. Let's just write it out just like this first one here. B times B times B times B divided by B times B. When you see it this way, simplifying is really easy. So our final answer, B1, or B squared. Now, if you're getting good at these, try to think back to that last tutorial where we talked about negative exponents. Can't we rewrite this as B4, b to the minus 2, bringing the square to the top, b to the minus 2, which is the same as b4 minus 2, b squared. So, several ways to get all the same answers. Simplifying exponents. This was the last tutorial for Unit 8B Practice 002. Make sure you swing by the tutoring center after school and pick up your practice so that you're successful on the unit final.